Hi, this is Abid Kazmi for Desi TV USA, and here are the major headlines. Central Washington is an armed fortress, fenced off with razor wire and surrounded by 25,000 National Guard troops ahead of the President-elect Joe Biden's inauguration on Wednesday. A stark contrast to previous inaugurations when the United States Capitol erupted in days of celebration. Now, the National Mall is closed to the public due to threats of violence from groups who attacked the US Capitol on January 6th. Almost none of the public will witness firsthand the transition of power. Previous inaugurations sometimes drew over 1 million spectators to the National Mall to watch the ceremony from the giant television screens. Presidential inaugurations are normally high security events with metal detectors at key points, restricted ID only zones, and National Guard supplementing local and federal law enforcement agencies. But the level of precautions this year is unprecedented. For us also that Kamala Harris is also from Indian origin, and I would like to heartily congratulate both of them.
We had just reclaimed the capital from violent
US Senate Majority Leader Mitchell McConnell said in a speech on the Senate floor that President Donald Trump provoked the violence at the Capitol. The veteran senator said that the mob was fed with lies, they were provoked by the president and other powerful people. Dozens of suspects have been arrested since a crowd egged on by Trump attacked the Capitol in a bid to halt the certification of President-elect Joe Biden's election victory.
said an angry mob would not get veto power over the rule of law in our nation.
Trump was impeached by the Democratic-led House of Representatives last week on charges of inciting the storming of the US Capitol by pro-Trump supporters. His case is to face a Senate trial, and if convicted, he could be disqualified from seeking another run for the presidency in 2024.
The space that President Bush 41 called
The chief executive of Logitech said that the company will grow in a post-coronavirus world. As the rise in home working and playing during the pandemic pushed the computer accessories maker to its best ever quarterly results. Booming sales of webcams, covers, and keyboards for tablet computers used by school children and video conference devices for online meetings were seen growing. Daryl, the chief executive of Logitech, said that no doubt the trend of people working from home helped us grow our business. The strong third quarter performance meant Logitech raised its guidance for the third time in its 2021 business year, which runs to the end of March.
I'll be.
His form is very good. He was just just voted player of the month. He's not tired.
Manchester United manager Ole Gunnar Solskjaer has dismissed suggestions that Portuguese playmaker Bruno Fernandes needs a rest. The Premier League's Player of the Month for December has bagged self-driving car maker Cruise, and majority shareholder General Motors said that they would partner with Microsoft to accelerate the commercialization of their driverless vehicles.
Microsoft's expertise could also help GM quicken digitization initiatives.
Cruise will partner with Microsoft and use its Azure cloud computing platform for its self-driving vehicles. Microsoft expertise could also help GM quicken digitalization incentives, including the use of artificial intelligence. In exchange, Microsoft has agreed to take an equity stake in Cruise. Microsoft will now join GM, Honda, and other investors in new equity investment totaling more than $2 billion combined, pushing Cruise private market valuation to $30 billion.